This frugal fix tackles a stubborn garage door track squeak caused by a loose roller bracket and a slightly misaligned rail. Steps are simple. Tighten screws, realign the rail with a level, and reseat the roller with a light tap. Lubricate the roller and rail with white lithium grease. Wipe away excess and test the door for smooth operation. Create a tiny maintenance routine. Every 6 months, retighten screws and inspect rollers to prevent future noises. With basic tools and patience, viewers turn a pricey fix into a confident DIY win that keeps the garage running quietly.